How to delete Temu order history. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Over here you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option Your Orders. You will be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your orders. Also here you're gonna find different tabs as processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Under these tabs as well you're gonna find your orders. Now you can head over to the tab from where you wanna delete your Temu order. Or you can set it to all orders, as in this page you're gonna find all of your Temu order history. Now what you have to do is head towards any of the order that you wanna delete, click on it. You'll get the option to return, but you won't find any option to delete it. So at the moment there is no such option within Temu to delete the order history. If in the future Temu comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But at the moment, unfortunately, this feature is not available. I made this video to clear out whether you can delete Temu order history or not. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.